What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, today I want to talk about a new stock pick that I think will have an incredible 2021. This company operates in the augmented reality, virtual reality space. Now before I go ahead and talk about why I like this stock, I want to quickly highlight the overall growth potential that augmented reality and virtual reality sector has and where it's headed. The global augmented reality and virtual reality market is projected to account for a revenue of $1,274 billion in 2030. Rising from $37 billion in 2019, progressing at a robust CAGR of 42.9% during the forecasted period 2020 to 2030. It's clear that this industry is going to grow at a rapid pace, so if we can find and invest in a company that's doing well and is in the early stages of its growth phase, then we can make potentially 5 to 10x our money. The company we're talking about today is called NexTech AR Solutions Corp. Ticker symbol NEXCF. NexTech is in the augmented reality business, making it easy for people to virtually try on their digital purchases to see how they might look on them before buying them. It's the next best thing to physically being in a store and trying on clothes. The company's app also allows you to see items up close in 3D and even how they'll look inside your home. Now let's start off with taking a quick look at their financials. As you can see here, their revenues have been growing every quarter. Revenues are forecasted to grow 80% per year, and over the past year, their revenue grew by 211%. Next, when we look at their balance sheet, we can see that they have no debt. They also have a stable cash runway for more than 3 years based on their current free cash flow. This is a positive sign and shows us that they are in no immediate danger of running out of money or going bankrupt. Another positive sign is that their CEO, Ivan Gappelberg, has been buying shares like crazy. Insiders buying shares is a really bullish sign. In a recent interview, the CEO talked about how he's invested over $1 million of his own money in the company. Next, I want to talk about their management team and why this adds to my conviction in the company. Earlier this month, NexTech AR put out this press release. NexTech AR rapidly expands enterprise Salesforce with Fastly executive Zach McLeod and Salesforce.com executive Rory Ganis. Both executives bring over a decade of experience and will play key roles in driving revenue as the company moves towards its 2021 goal of 50 to 60 million. NexTech AR continues to expand its leadership team with experienced global technology hires from Microsoft, SAP, Disney, Fastly, Salesforce.com, and more, as it looks to monetize a portfolio of digital transformation technologies. It's hard to find a company in the penny stock territory to have such a strong management team, so this in my opinion is again a really positive sign. Another interesting development that's happened recently is that Jill Biden and Gary Vee have used their technology to present their keynote presentations at an event. This may seem trivial, but I think this brings a lot more eyeballs to the company and raises its awareness about them. NexTech AR virtual event platform selected to host the Student Veterans of America's 2021 National Conference. Keynote delivered by First Lady Dr. Jill Biden. Speakers included Gary Vee. Now I also want to highlight that this company is a prime candidate for a buyout by a larger entity such as Shopify. I'm saying this because there's a lot of interest in augmented reality and virtual reality, and companies like Facebook and Apple have recently bought startup VR companies. Now I'm going to play a short video that demonstrates the many applications that their technology has. Right, so now that you have a better understanding of this company and its future potential, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Personally, I'll be looking to start a position here today, but because this is a high risk play, it won't make up more than 1% of my portfolio. That's it for today's video. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.